Let's make a Culross. To make this drink, I am going to start with my white rum. 1 ounce of your white rum. 1 ounce is 30 milliliters. 1 ounce of an apricot brandy or an apricot liqueur. In my case, I am using an apricot liqueur from Norseman Craft Distillery in Minneapolis, Minnesota. Find one that you like and let me know how it turns out. 1 ounce, 30 milliliters. Looks like I'm going to have to get some more of that. 1 ounce of Lillet Blanc, and I think I'm pronouncing that correctly, but I'm not sure. Note that the original recipe actually calls for Quina Lillet, which no longer exists. So this is what modern makers of this cocktail have been using, Lillet Blanc. Some people also use dry vermouth. I'm using the Lillet Blanc. 1 ounce, 30 milliliters. Then lemon juice. And different recipes will call for slightly different amounts of lemon juice. I'm going to put in 1/4 ounce, which is 7.5 milliliters. Add your ice and give it a shake. Double strain. And garnish. Garnish is a twist of orange. Let's see if I can do this on camera. That went well. Give it an expression, give it a wipe, and give it a drop. And there you have it, a Culross. Drink with good spirits.